Speaker ka Meghalaya Assembly, Speaker Thomas A. Sangma, haka pratrik jemang ula ai ke jing Ithuh ya ka jingpyniasoh ki MLA ka People's Democratic Front sya ka National People's Party NPP. Speaker ula IT ru ya ka Shithi ka bala Ithuh pura ya ka jingpyniasoh ki arngut ki MLA berim ka PDF Gavin Miguel Milliam na sora mat bantai dor lingdo na maukan raw. Uba Gavin habakran ula ong bakila shim ya ka Shithi jing Ithuh ki bakila ai sya speaker ha ubanai jemang santarik. Uba Gavin ula ong ba ukerman ba Chief Minister Conrad Sangma ba unshim kya ban pentrai kam ya ki khatwai teli ki mat jing dawa bakila bu syabanya so sya ka NPP. Ula ong ru ba ka waina ki mat kata ka roster system ru an saya keren bat menteri rang ba ka Jylla unsa khat ya ka jingalang ha ka khat santarik u jemang. Kani kadai ka kabu bakin yo ban ya keren sani bha halor ka bha bu renti ya ka jingthung kam thung jam kat kum ka reservation policy.
We just came and collect our official recognition of our merger. The letter which we have sent to Speaker on 5th regarding our request for merger with NPP, according to the provisions that we've had the General Council on the 5th. The meeting on 5th had unanimously decided to merge with NPP. So today we came and collected the official recognition. On Saturday, even our Honourable Chief Minister, who is the National President of NPP, had declared that the block at Sora and at Mokonro, the NPP Sora block and Mokonro in Mokonro constituency, is dissolved, and now we have been elected as the ad hoc members of those respective blocks.